Join me on preparing Zia snacks for her school. When it comes to Zia, I am very strict dahil gusto ko healthy siya. Kaya naman pagdating sa baon and snacks niya, I do mix and match, cutting fruits, and making it in a bite size. I am also using a colorful packaging. Sa ganito kasing paraan, mas nai-enjoy ni Zia ang kanyang snacks. At syempre, hindi rin mawawala ang kanyang favorite milk drink na Nido Nutri-Snacks. Alam niyo ba na ito talaga ang preferred snack drink ko for her snack time? Because it is ready to drink, milk drink, made with real milk, fruits, and veggies. It is also no artificial sweeteners added. Kaya naman nakakasiguro talaga ako na healthy si Zia everyday. Plus, it has a 2 flavors that I'm sure your kids will like it too. They have banana carrot and strawberry carrot. I recommend this for baon snack after school days and playtime with friends. Kaya mommies, make your toddler snack time more nutritious with the new Nido Nutri-Snacks.
It's delicious. It's yummy. I like it. I want more, mommy.
You can purchase it at your nearest supermarket and online via Nestle official store. Bye!